You may not have heard of it, but this meme coin just went up over 50% in price as soon as Donald Trump tweeted. Luckily, this one has nothing to do with him, so you won't have to worry about being scammed. Instead, this meme coin is probably the biggest meme you've never heard of because it's on a chain that's kind of a meme in of itself. Cardano, they're like the Nickelback of crypto. Everyone makes fun of them, but secretly, deep down, we all know they're kinda cool. Look at this photograph. Now, one thing I've learned over my 5 years trading crypto is that you never judge a token until you've seen the community behind it. And SNEK has by far one of the most insane and loyal communities. If it's not the countless profile pictures repping the brand, it's the excessive use of the letters S in words to let you know that they are around. And to top it off, SNEK meets one of the greatest signals of a meme coin. It's only 4 letters, and it references an animal. You see, the linguistic pattern here puts it amongst the top memes in the world, coupled with the fact that it's the leading meme coin on its blockchain. It's short, memorable, memeable, and most importantly, could be plugged into just about anything. Now, they've done a fantastic job thus far, but once you see what I'm about to show you, you'll see that they haven't even gotten started yet. Take for instance their energy drink. Yes, it's an actual energy drink that uses all of its sales to buy back the token itself before burning it, thus adding to the token's deflation. Pretty cool, right? Well, it doesn't stop there. SNEK allows their IP to be used by other companies to build products under the SNEK brand. In doing so, SNEK brings an automatic supporter base for those products and gets a percentage of the profits for leasing out their IP. Think brand collaborations such as Under Armour and The Rock, Nike and Apple, Hugo Boss and the SS Army. I mean, collaborations like these unlocks countless opportunities for SNEK to grow as a brand and simultaneously increase awareness about the token in a more holistic manner. Now, so far these are 2 big green flags for SNEK, but the others are even bigger. Now, if you haven't been paying attention to the news, there's a reality TV star who's just become president. No, not that one, the other one. And he's been having meetings with all of the largest American crypto founders, one of whom just so happens to be Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano. And as of the 1st of March, he announced that Cardano will be part of the American Strategic Reserve, meaning that the government will be buying and holding a large amount of ADA. How large? We don't know yet. However, this kind of news bodes well for the entire Cardano ecosystem, and most importantly, SNEK. Being the #1 meme coin on-chain means that the second money flows into Cardano, SNEK becomes a secondary gainer. More ADA users means more SNEK. You know, kinda like that cell phone game I grew up playing. Now, if we take a look at the charts by comparison, you will see that it follows a very similar pattern. Except with SNEK, there's a lot more upside for potential gains, so buying it is definitely a more risky yet rewarding play. However, buying SNEK at the moment is kinda problematic, and that's a good thing. Hear me out. To get yourself some SNEK tokens, you will have to use either one of the smaller exchanges such as Gate.io, Mex Global, BitGet, or a dreaded decentralized exchange. Which is awesome news for the future of SNEK's price range because SNEK hasn't even been listed on a mid-tier exchange such as OKX or KuCoin just yet, meaning there's a pretty high ceiling for its price given that the market cap is pretty stable around $200 million. Now, it's about to be listed over on Kraken, which is a decently sized exchange, and we can already see what that did to the price even with the overall market plummeting. Thank you, Donald Trump. Now, with regards to milestones in the medium to long term, SNEK has some way to go in terms of slithering its way to the top. And if it is to get a few more listings over this coming year, on top of Cardano's involvement within the crypto reserve, I feel SNEK could be one of the few meme coins to fast track its adoption throughout the industry. Just how high can it go? Well, let's find out. Now, based purely off of Cardano's movement, we should be able to predict a high where SNEK can go even before its independent run. My personal prediction is that SNEK could hit anywhere between $1.5 to $2 billion market cap in the event of a renewed bull run as well as another listing. Now, Cardano is around a 4x from its all-time high, which I do expect it to hit sometime in the near future. As a result of that, we should see SNEK around $1 billion in valuation as money begins to trickle down from the leading coin's price. So you're looking at anywhere between a 5 to 10x in investment at its current price range. Now, one major reason why I'm almost certain that SNEK will have some serious price bumps in the near future is because of its Kraken listing. This is so significant for the future of SNEK as it adds legitimacy to the project. If an established exchange such as Kraken can list it, then sooner or later we should see OKX and even KuCoin followed by the 3 larger exchanges doing the exact same thing. Remember, everything in crypto is down to fundamentals and popularity, and when it comes to the Cardano blockchain, no project is better suited than SNEK. Oh, by the way, if you're new here, my name's Ubaid, welcome to the channel. If you could do me a tiny favor by liking this video as well as subscribing to my channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. It's kind of like giving me a round of applause for putting all of this together. So, thank you. Now, community is the be-all and end-all of meme coins because, as we've seen this year, very few people can be trusted within this space, which is why SNEK's tokenomics is such a vital part of its appeal. Coming in with a 0% share allocated to its founders, they've had to buy into the token themselves in order to be involved. And according to Max Mayer, who has met with the SNEK marketing team, they seem to have an extensive marketing plan in place once the token hits a certain price range. Now, this is smart for 2 reasons. 1, because who says no to marketing? And 2, because setting a milestone price for initiating this phase of the project allows them to protect their investors. Over the years, I've seen countless projects launch their tokens in the midst of an absolute dumpster fire, hoping and thinking that the people will just be there no matter what. This hasn't been the case, and it's an unfortunate truth about the culture of crypto. People are very volatile, much in the same way that the markets are. So, as much as they want to protect themselves, you need to do the exact same thing by dollar cost averaging in and having an understanding of your risk management when it comes to trading meme coins. My name's Ubaid. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.